Hey guys, this is my Mirraco mint color. It's a pretty nice bike. The red parts, all the red parts are Sunday from my other one, and I changed them because all red looks stupid. I didn't like it, and everything looks nice on this bike. I like the white sprocket and stuff. It's pretty nice. Pretty much everything that's like mint and white, it's all stock. It's a nice bike. I like it. Sometime I think guys should buy it somewhere. I got it for a present, so I don't know where I got it from. Well, thank you. Subscribe. Bye.